Hi guys, so I wanted to share an energy tip with you all today. And we all know that we're all made up of energy. This whole world is made up of energy. And energy follows thought. Your thoughts are very, very powerful. So when we have an issue with somebody, or even with somebody in our own family, your brother, sister, mother, father, children, whoever it may be, and you are all constantly saying, oh, this person is like that, or this person doesn't exercise, this person doesn't eat right, this person is, good for nothing, which is the worst thing you can say to somebody. But we all do it. We all, have those thoughts, and those thoughts come with a lot of emotion attached to them. So it makes it even more powerful because manifestation is thought plus emotion, equals manifestation. But we don't realize that we are manifesting at all times. Every thought, every feeling of yours is a manifestation. So whatever you have in your world today, whatever you have created around you, even including your family members, is a manifestation of your own thoughts and emotions. So when we are constantly saying, okay, like, take for example your husband or your wife, you're constantly saying, oh, this person is like this person is like that. What you are doing on an energy level is you are making that person more like that, even if that person is not. If you are constantly saying this person doesn't take care of their health, and what the thought that you're sending out to that person energetically is that, I'm not taking care of my health. And what will happen is that energetically that person's health will start deteriorating, and it'll just make your belief even stronger. And I'm not saying that you overlook what is not perfect, but none of us are perfect, and each of us is there in a family with your friends to help each other out. So instead of criticizing people, visualize them the way you want them to be, the way you want to see them. And of course, if it's a very grave issue which needs, to be looked into, there are other ways of doing it. But remember, whatever you are saying, whatever you are, like, even if somebody is trying to lose weight, say somebody is trying to lose weight, and you keep calling that person fat, energetically that person will be so dejected that they will not even want to try to lose weight. And that's how energy works, that's how things work. So if somebody is trying to, make a go at things, and you're constantly saying that this person is, not doing anything, or this person is uh, useless, and things like that, which pull them down, which are just the opposite of what even you want for them. Because in our hearts we always want the best for our families, but we are the ones who subconsciously end up pulling them down. So don't do that. Remember, every thought, every word you say is energy. I've said this before about kids and parents, that whenever a parent is worrying about their child, that this will happen, that will happen, that usually ends up sending energy of worry to the child. And because parents and children are so closely connected by a cord, that whatever a parent feels for the child, that tends to manifest in the child's life. If you feel that, they will not make enough money, or they will hurt themselves, they will end up doing that, because that's the thought that you are sending out to them, unknowingly causing them harm. So just try it out on your own. When you want somebody to do something, visualize them doing that. Encourage them to do that. Don't taunt them, don't nag them, and don't make it more difficult for them to push against your energy or the energy of others, which is at a subconscious level controlling them. So take care, have a nice day, and do let me know your results after you try it out. Thank you.